This is Ikke Old Forest. So it's from the late 16th century. So it's a very old forest, and it's a nature place for us. And here we sometimes do excursion to go out here and check the view, the silence which is here. So this is a very good way to get energy from the old forest and nature and energy. And we can also have discussions here, so we can walk and talk, discuss things, and actually bond between researchers, entrepreneurs, innovators, and so on. And by that we will create more ideas for the future and get progress in our projects and innovation aspects, and we can be truly fantastic, similar like this old forest. And then we move along and stay, because what we create is a momentum from the old to the new, history to future, and hopefully our key enabling technologies from the advanced materials will be there 100 years, 200 years from what we are creating now, today.